Welcome back, history enthusiasts. Get ready for an exciting episode of the Historical Showdown, where we dive deep into the intense and captivating rivalry between India and Pakistan. Brace yourselves for a roller coaster ride through time, filled with triumphs, tragedies, and the birth of two nations. Today, we embark on a journey that stirs the emotions, ignites national pride, and fuels the debates that have lasted for decades. The rivalry between India and Pakistan is not just about geographical borders, it runs deep within the hearts and minds of millions. To understand this rivalry, we must first delve into history. It all began during the British Raj in the early 20th century when the Indian subcontinent was under British colonial rule. In the late 1930s, political tensions and aspirations for independence surged, leading to the formation of the Indian National Congress and the All India Muslim League. While both organizations sought independence from the British, they had different visions for the future of the subcontinent. The Indian National Congress aimed for a united, secular India, while the All India Muslim League demanded a separate homeland for Muslims in South Asia. As the demand for a separate nation grew stronger, the division between Hindus and Muslims became more apparent. The British reluctantly accepted the proposal for partition, and on 15 August 1947, India and Pakistan emerged as independent nations. The partition, however, was marred by unprecedented violence and the largest mass migration in human history. The communal tensions that had simmered for years erupted into a tragic series of riots, resulting in the loss of countless lives and the displacement of millions. It's impossible to ignore the pain and suffering experienced by both sides during this tumultuous time. Families were torn apart, friendships shattered, and wounds inflicted that would take generations to heal. The scars left behind are a constant reminder of the high price paid for independence. Despite the initial hopes for harmony, India and Pakistan soon found themselves entangled in a series of conflicts and disputes. The two nations have fought 4 major wars and engaged in numerous border skirmishes, each leaving an indelible mark on their shared history. The animosity and rivalry between India and Pakistan extend beyond the battlefield. Cricket matches, cultural exchanges, and even Bollywood movies have become battlegrounds for the expression of national pride and the never-ending quest for supremacy. While it's easy to get caught up in the competitive spirit, it's important to remember that beneath the rivalry lies a shared history and a deep cultural connection. The stories of struggle, sacrifice, and resilience on both sides should serve as a reminder that despite our differences, we are all human beings seeking a better future. Join us next time as we delve further into the historical rivalries, the political turmoil, and the ever-evolving dynamics between India and Pakistan. Remember, understanding our past helps shape a brighter future for all. That's all for today's episode of the Historical Showdown. If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring history.